It's not laziness, it's fear. Hindi ideas ang kulang, hindi rin time. Takot. Takot na makita kang nagtatry, takot magkamali, takot mapahiya. Ano na lang ang sasabihin nila? Baka isipin nila, nag-iilusyon ako. As a mom, mas mabigat to. Hindi ka impulsive, maingat ka, may iniingatan ka. Kaya instead of starting, nag-o-observe ka muna, nag-overthink, naghihintay ng perfect timing. Pero ang totoo, most people are too busy surviving their own lives to judge yours. Yung mga nag-start, hindi sila fearless. Pinili lang nilang gumalaw kahit may kaba. Tahimik, imperfect, pero umusad. Hindi mo kailangang confident agad. You just need permission. Permission to begin. If this felt personal, save this for the days you start doubting yourself. And if you're ready to explore what a small, safe start could look like, message mo lang ako. Usap tayo. Walang pressure.